Hey guys, got a quick little tip I want to share with you. So I need to cut this into some thinner strips, and the problem is if I cut the thin strips on the right side of the blade and do this, I don't have a lot of space to work with, even with the low fence. And so a safer way to do it is on this side. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen many jigs that allow you to do that, but I have found a way where I don't really need to buy a jig, especially if I'm not doing it often. So let me show you what I did real quick. So you won't need a whole lot, and most of this you should already have. So the first thing we're gonna do is, again, you don't necessarily have to use a feather board, but I think it'll be helpful. We're gonna take this square and we're gonna put it right over here. Again, our thing is we don't want to be too close to the blade, but we're gonna put it right about here, I think is good. And then I'm going to just tighten this down. And this way I know I have a 90-degree angle. Now that I have that out the way, I can then figure out, okay, what's the distance I want? So I want to make an 18mm rip. So for that, I will just take out my rule and I need to measure, let's see here. So I'm actually going to use this as a gauge. So this is 18mm, so I'm going for. So I'm going to push that up gently against there. I don't want to go too crazy, a little bit pressure. And now I'm going to take, again, this is 45, this is a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to just clamp this piece down real quick. Let's see here. So I might need to adjust it just a little bit. Let's see what that looks. So pretty close. Again, you can dial it in more. And now this way, I'm done with this piece. When we run this through, we can just bring the fence up to here and then make our rips. So again, let me just double check this. Never hurts to be safe. Let me get something to mark it real quick. By the way, these Pica pens are super nice to have, so let's just kind of mark where this is at, just so you have an idea of this. Yeah, we're right on 18. So again, I'm not going to be pushing pressure on here, it's just to set this gauge, and then we can push it through. So let's do that right now and make a couple rips. So for our free little jig setup, let's see how we did. This looked pretty good, but where is our measuring device? I think it's supposed to be this side. $18. 18. Perfect. These are perfect. So you don't have to go out and buy a special jig. You can literally just use a straight edge, a piece of wood that has a 90 degrees here, and that's it. So hopefully this saved you some money and allowed you to do something in your workshop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.